What's up mga boss? Ayan, may nabili na naman tayong bagong CNC na bolts. Medyo addict na tayo sa CNC na yan. Okay. Pero pakunti-kunti lang muna kasi hindi pa kaya ng budget. So ayan siya mga boss. Ayan yung itsura niya. Yan. Teka, ayaw mag-focus. Ayan, bali 2 pieces na 6x35, 4 pieces na 6x25 at 1 piece na 6x15 yung binili ko. Bale, yan ang papalitan natin. Ito at ito. Yan. Unahin natin tong sa fender. Bale, ang sukat ng bolts dito ay 6x35. Yan, sa kabila naman. Tsaka dito naman sa may fluid tank, dito natin lalagay yung 6x15 na isang piraso. At kung mapapansin nyo mga boss, yan na yung takip ng fluid tank natin na sinosa natin last time. Yan na siya. So dito naman sa may side mirror clamp sa may left side, pinalitan ko na to nung bagong side mirror holder para malagyan ng dalawang bolt, at saka ang sukat nito M8 para pumasok na yung stock side mirror ng R150. Yung ganito mga boss, ganito siya. Bali yung 4 na piraso ng 6x25 dito natin lalagay sa mga clamp. Yan, ayos. Dito naman sa kabila. So ayan, kung mapapansin nyo, improvise lang yan mga boss, yung fluid holder natin, kasi ano lang yan, yung mga rayos ng bisikleta. Ginawa lang namin para di na kami bumili.
do the impossible. I'm irresponsible, yet I'm phenomenal. I got an arsenal, I'm dropping bombs, you know. No, I'm not stopping, no. Conquer the obstacle. To the top, here I go, think I'm chosen to be the king of rock, think the people have spoken. I can hear the tick-tock of the clock, I'm in motion. So now I'm gonna pop, causing all this commotion.
Yeah, sometimes I think that I'm unstoppable. Yeah, ready to go, man, lock it low. That's right, I swear to God that I could drop it, bro. Yeah, I got a shot and I ain't stopping, no. That's how I know that I'm unstoppable. That's how I know that I'm unstoppable. Yeah, let's go. I don't care what they all say. That's right, I'ma do this thing my way. Let's go. Been grinding hard on it all day. Okay, we work hard, then we all play. Yeah, I'm addicted to the grind, man. That's right, so I refuse to waste time, man. Yeah, one day it all will be fine, man. Let's go. Gotta commit to the climb. You know we're back with the Guinness, setting records every minute, every track, an addiction to the fact that we're winning. Still we lack, something's missing, need a track that is hitting, making racks, making millions. If you ask